Welcome to Streaming Deluxe. My name is still Mr. Orange, and hello my friends. Has been quite some time that I made my last video, so I'm going to talk today about some gaming stocks. As always, before I start, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a YouTuber that likes to talk about gaming companies, gaming stocks, and yeah, let's start immediately. As you can see here on my screen, Activision Blizzard is back, so pretty nicely back. So yeah, as I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not recommending to buy any stocks, so it's just for informational purpose only. All right, let's look at this this 2 to 5 years, so 2 years chart. And you can see that actually Activision Blizzard was massively falling end of 2018, and was down to more than 50%, and which is very nice to see that. Yeah, with the overall good market sentiment we had now since March, or yeah, end of May and March, end of February and March 2019. Activision Blizzard came back with 17%. I think I was saying in some of my previous videos already that I think Activision Blizzard is only some sort of a cold, and that I'm more or less sure that the company will get itself together again, since they have very much the big brands. And I mean, it's still Activision Blizzard. It's one of the biggest gaming companies out there, my friends. So therefore, don't worry. But we know, you never know if we here is some if actually we can break through this line here around 40, 46, 40, 40, 48. It's very difficult to say. So therefore, I would say maybe wait a little bit longer and observe this stock. But if you're a big Activision Blizzard fan in general, you believe in all these World of Warcraft, StarCraft games, Diablo, as well as Call of Duty, then Activision Blizzard might be something for you. Let's jump to the next stock. Let's jump to Nintendo and let's see where we are here. So today, $35 now. Nintendo, this is pretty hefty. So, but on the other hand, you can say, so it's still almost 40% down. But you can still see here from the all-time, not all-time low, but from the low in the last month of $31. So Nintendo's coming back, so it's already $35 up, $35 or $4 up. So it looks not too bad, but they were really beaten down before. So therefore, this might be an uptrend. But it's always very difficult to say when it comes to the Japanese stock market. And to be honest, I don't really know so much about Japanese economy, macroeconomics, etc. But Nintendo, we all know the company. Yeah, maybe not at this E3. But maybe soon they bring something new and interesting. Who knows? Alright, Electronic Arts, Apex Legends was extremely pushing them. I mean, Apex Legends, the free-to-play game that you can find at Origin. So from $79 up to $106. I mean, what a trade, my friends. What a trade. I mean, that's something for everyone that was... everyone, honestly, where is it? Sorry. For everyone that was profiting from this, congratulations, 45% just because of this Apex Legends game. So, but then it also came back a little bit. But the uptrend still stays there, still lies there. Yeah, that was a surprise. So yeah, Electronic Arts got their business together again. And then we take a look at TakeTwo Interactive, a company of singularity, a little bit by like CD Projekt, I would say. No, I'm just kidding. So they have two big brands, Rockstar Games and all the 2K games. Now soon Borderlands 3 might come out, so also for 2K, and then it's part of TakeTwo Interactive. And also, so from 85 up to 96, also a nice recovery. but also overall related to the general market recovery, I would say. And then we have another nice company, another very pretty company, and it's massively up today. So the semiconductor companies like AMD or Nvidia, so I don't have AMD now here, but they are very nicely up. So, but on the other hand, you still have to understand that from 289 falling to $129 is also that's really a pretty big loss. So when I look at it, how much was it? Around 55%, and that's pretty big. And now we are around 37% up again. Pretty cool too. All right, so Nvidia, I'm a believer in Nvidia. So maybe some news that just came out. The Nvidia 3D Vision glasses, they will not be supported anymore after the driver 420.xxx. It's a pity, and it's a shame for a lot of people in the community, so we're all a little bit sad, the 3D Vision stereoscopic gamers. But all the haters on 3D Vision are going to be happy, and they think yeah, they're happy that other people are sad, and that's something that makes me sad even more, my friends. But on the other hand, I'm an Nvidia believer. And I think this is amazing. So I can see some nice recovery of Nvidia even in the future. What do we have here? Ubisoft. So a game that I play at the moment is The Division 2. I mean, that's an impressive game. And if you see this trade, actually, let's check. It's a trade of 20% up, so very volatile here, Ubisoft. But they were also making a nice bump back today, even 1.65% up. So are they going to catch up to the all-time highs again? Very difficult to say, but that's anyways, it looks not too bad, I would say, with Ubisoft. I think Ubisoft is at the moment one of the best gaming companies out there. Actually, what they produce for very high class or high quality games recently, it's amazing. So almost each of their games is extremely good. So. And then we have a new little favorite of me. So unfortunately I cannot buy this stock at my broker, but it's Capcom Company Limited, my friend. So $11.22, so 1.5 for up. And I think if I look now here at the, if I look here, we can click on it at the chart. For example, we're making a trend line, so also 35% up. And since I found out that actually Capcom is also a publicly traded stock, you can see watch my video here on my channel, I was pretty much happy and amazed. So that's very cool, actually. If you see Capcom, so Devil May Cry, Resident Evil 2, those are games by Capcom. They're pretty good. All right, so that's it. So those have been all my favorite stocks when it comes to gaming companies. So other stocks, so which stock do I own? I own Activision, I own Nvidia, and that's it. So that's also a little disclaimer. And I think gaming company stocks are back. So my friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me a commentary under the video. Give me a thumbs up or even subscribe to my channel. I would be more than happy. See ya, guys.